That's me.
So in today's video, I wanted to do kind of like a fun video where, you know, I needed to leave my house. Multiple times and do fun things. Halloween and the October month is honestly almost over, and I just feel like I haven't really been festive, like, at all. And so I told myself that, you know, I need to be festive and I need to do some things so it makes me feel like I didn't just waste the whole entire month of October. So today I wanted to do a video where I gave you guys different like date ideas to do with your guys' like boo for Halloween, or if you guys do not have like somebody in your life or anything like that, you guys can do these by yourself. You can do these with your family. You guys can do these with like your best friends. You literally can do these with absolutely like any person at all. Today I so happened to do this video with Roman, so that's why we're going to be doing like date ideas for, you know, like the Halloween time. So we have 6 different things that we're going to be showing you guys. I made a list and all that stuff, and so yeah, let's just get on to this video if you guys want to see some fun things to do. So for the first location today, we are going to be going Halloween costume shopping for each other. And so I haven't been to the Halloween store yet at all this year. And so me and Roman are gonna go Halloween costume shopping, and we're basically going to pick out an outfit for each other. And then we're going to, you know, try it on, see how it looks and all that stuff. You guys can do this where you can pick out like a legit outfit, or you can do like a funny one. I'm just gonna go browse, and if I see something funny, then I'm probably gonna pick like a funny outfit for him. But I feel like this is just something fun that you literally can do with like your significant other, or literally just your friends and your sisters or your mom or your dad. It doesn't really matter, like literally anyone. Just go Halloween costume shopping and pick out costumes for each other and just try them on, like take pictures and like make fun of each other. I don't know, like whatever you want to do, like whatever's fun. I thought that was like a fun idea. So yeah, we're going to go to the Halloween store right now.
So I guess I got like what, 15 minutes to like find her something to wear. We're gonna have to find her something hilarious though, for real. She should be a penguin.
I'm kind of thinking on this. I really like this, and I think that this will be funny, or I want to stick him in that down there. Those are my 2 options right now.
So I was kind of thinking this right here or this one. I want to find something funny, but I can't find shit. Oh, I found something, but I found this shit, but this shit's on a fucking extra large. She's not extra large. Make sure she's not keeping an eye on me, you feel me?
Okay guys, so this is the outfit that Roman picked out for me. It's like honestly cute, but I wish that this was like tighter because it's very baggy.
I think I put this on backwards, to be honest with you. This is dope. I look like a weird ass like Mexican superhero.
That's so funny. Hi you guys, so I do not have my lipstick on right now, so I kind of look crazy, but I didn't want like my hair to get in my lip gloss. We're currently at the gas station right now because me and Roman, for our next little like date idea type thing that we have for you guys, is to go to the pumpkin patch. I feel like that's like a no-brainer. Everyone goes to the pumpkin patch, and so we are going to be going to the pumpkin patch. We're kind of like racing the sun right now. The sun's about to go down in like an hour and a half, so it's 30 minutes away, so we're gonna rush to the pumpkin patch. Hi you guys, so we got to the pumpkin patch. I'm so excited. I did not get to go to the pumpkin patch last year, and so this is my first time back. I honestly think in like 2 years, so let's freaking go guys. I'm so pumped. Guys, the lighting is like really like horrendous, and like honestly I can't really see like at all. We're currently at the pumpkin patch. Roman is right here, and I'm so excited. I really just want my Instagram picture. Like all I care about, oh my god, the lighting just went so bad. Yeah. All I care about is getting an Instagram picture, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go into the pumpkin patch now. Are you excited, Roman? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, yeah.
We're pumped. Wait, that blue bench is actually really cute. Can you take a picture of me there?
Come here. You don't like me?
Hi. Oh, what the hell is that?
Damn, pregnant.
Look like Paris when she was pregnant.
Hungry.
Okay, you guys, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to pick out a pumpkin. We have all these nice little, like, lovely pumpkins. I don't even know if you guys can tell. We have all these pumpkins right in front of us. And so the next step that we need to do is we need to pick one out because I want to carve one. Or if I'm not going to carve it, then I'm definitely going to like paint it. That's what we're going to decide. Yeah. But yeah, so the next step that we're going to be doing right now is picking a pumpkin. Roman, do you see a good one? But we have to pick like a really pretty one. Like that one's kind of cute. If we like wash her off, she's actually like, stop, get off of her. Like low-key, she's like, she looks good. Look at her. Okay guys, so originally we wanted that one, right? But we're thinking about that one.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. There's no way that you just did that. Put it down right now.
Oh shit. Yeah, we're definitely getting this one.
There, guys. We need to leave now. We need to leave. So low-key, this is like some good lighting, like in the corn maze. We're currently in the corn maze. When I was a Girl Scout, I used to come here all the time for years and years and years and years and years. So I kind of like grew up at this pumpkin patch. So this just like brings back memories. We're not gonna do the whole entire thing because the sun's gonna go down. This motherfucker, if he leaves me, I swear to fucking God. Where are you going?
I was gonna try to scare you, but I got lost myself.
Is there a lipstick on my line? Guys, doesn't Roman look so cute with this little pumpkin in the corn maze? Aww.
I love Halloween.
Guys, we got the goods, we got the pumpkin, and we have our popcorn. Okay, you guys, so now we're at Michael's because I really want to paint skulls, and so we're gonna go into Michael's to try and find some skulls and then some paint because I don't know, I think that's just like cute, and I want to make like a cute skull for my room. Roman's very artsy, and like he's pretty good with like, you know, just arty things. Roll the next clip, Maddie. Roll the next clip. Hi guys, so we left Michael's because they didn't have what we were looking for, so we came to Target, and I think I'm going to get these. I basically want to paint them. I want to paint skulls, and I also want to paint pumpkins because I just feel like that's fun, and I always see it like happen on Pinterest, and like I feel like all the people that are like just Pinterestable, they do this type of stuff. And so yeah, I think we're gonna get a skull. Okay you guys, so we have all of our paints right here. We have our pumpkin. I put a bunch of newspaper down so then we do not, you know, like get anything on the countertops. I have some paper plates, and then we also have our paintbrushes. So let's just get started, guys. So we bought this little skull from Target the other day, and it's not a skull that you're supposed to paint, but like we're gonna paint it anyways because we couldn't find one that you're allowed to paint. And what's really dope is that it like changes colors. So Roman doesn't want to show you guys the colors yet, so if you guys want to see the colors, you have to stay tuned to the end when we're done painting this. But there's a little switch and there's a light bulb in there, and it turns colors. It's super dope. So yeah, I think what I want to do though is we're going to make this skull like all pretty, and we have like a bunch of bright like fun colors. The skull is what we're going to do for like the skull, and then for the pumpkin, I think what we're going to do is just like black and white stripes. So guys, we have one stripe kind of done. Guys, second stripe is done. Look at that. We have 2 stripes done. Cute. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with my pumpkin. I've been done with my pumpkin for a while. Roman is still working on his little skull, but it's coming out so sick. He's making it for me, so we love that. And then over here, here's what my pumpkin looks like. I did 2 coats on the white, but I decided not to do 2 coats on the black. This is my finished pumpkin. She looks so adorable. And then this is like what we're working with over here, you guys. Guys, like this is the exact reason why I gave Roman the skull to do, and I made myself do the pumpkin. The striped pumpkin, because I knew that I was gonna mess this up, and he did so good. Like look, it looks so dope. Here is the final product of our little like painting job. Okay, you guys, so the next date idea consists of a movie night and then making some cookies. And so they didn't have like the Halloween cookies that they usually have, and so we settled for these Pillsbury pumpkin cookies with cream cheese flavored chips because, you know, I thought that that was festive. Okay, you guys, so our cookies are officially done. They look so good and it smells so good. Okay, you guys, so for our next date idea, this is probably gonna be like the easiest one. There is literally no excuse for you guys not to be able to do this. It's very, very simple. All it is literally just having like a movie night, and we made some cookies. I got some kettle corn, we have some popcorn, we have some snacks and all that stuff. This is just literally the easiest one. This is something that you could do every single day the month of October if you want to be festive. Like you literally could watch a different Halloween movie every single night. Comment down below what your guys' favorite Halloween movie is. Are you guys more into like the scary side, or are you more into like the children Halloween movies? For me, I like children Halloween movies.
I like both.
Like I like the Hocus Pocus, Halloween Town, Coraline, like all of those.
All of those, and I could also do like,
I'm okay with some scary things, but like I honestly I prefer, like when I think Halloween, I just think of like classic like Disney like Halloween movies, you know? Okay, you guys, so the last date idea that we have for you guys is to do some, let me figure out where my prop is. Some face paint. But we're going to be doing some face paint, you guys. And I got this little set from the Halloween store the other day. We have this little like pinwheel, we have some crayons, some fake blood, some of these things. Yeah, basically there's little like objects up here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with Roman. I kind of think I'm gonna turn him into a pumpkin. You ready to be a pumpkin? So you guys, this is what we're going for on Roman. Before, after, right now, okay? Let's go, guys. So the first thing that we're going to be doing, according to the picture, is orange.
damn, that's pretty thick.
So far, you're looking pretty good.
That's hilarious.
That I get to paint you with orange?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I've always wanted to do this. I've asked Roman so many times for me to do like regular makeup on him, and he just won't let me. But it'll let me turn into a freaking pumpkin. Give the people what they want to see. Don't you people want to see this? Because I want to see it.
See what? Me and makeup?
Yep.
Bro, why does it look patchy, bro?
What do you mean? Do you know how hard it is to do this with nails, Roman? I'm not trying to make it look patchy. What do you mean it looks patchy? How does it look patchy? It's because I haven't done your whole face. Chill out. Did I say that I was done? No. We need to tell this man to calm the fuck down.
Damn.
Like, you look like a pumpkin. Like, guys.
Bro, I look like a fucking arm robber.
It kind of looks like my picture. Like, can you come up better for comparison? Yeah, like, I kind of did a good job. I'm just, like, gonna take a nap while he's doing this. So, like, wake me up when it's over.
Okay, go ahead. do it up, muscle turn you into something dope. Be like, can I make this for home? Okay, I think I'm done.
Oh wait, I'm cute. I look cute. And then you look scary.
Yeah.
And freaky. And then I look cute. I kind of feel like I was wondering. I was like, I think he is doing like a clown thing. Because like, I felt you doing this. And I was like, that kind of reminds me of like the TikTok. But today, you guys, this is our face paint recreation. If you guys do this with your friends or your significant other or anyone, your mom, your dad, I don't care, send me some recreations. I want to see what you guys did. I like to see one of them too. So send them to both me and Roman because we actually do want to see. So
yeah. Bro, outside.
So you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any like more ideas like that we can do together, or like just things that we can do this fall season, this Halloween season. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you guys be notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and TikTok. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any more video ideas that you guys want to see. With the holiday season coming up, I really want to know what your guys' ideas are like in advance because I'm trying to plan out all my holiday videos. Christmas is my season. I thrive the best in Christmas. My life is just the best in Christmas and no one can put my mood down. Yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.